This rust goes deep, especially around the firewall.
Noted. The rear suspension is completely shot, too. Well, there's your problem. The whole dash is shot, and the wiring harness is completely exposed. The carburetor is shot. Look at the buildup.
It's not just the carb. The distributor timing is completely off.
Yeah, she's barely getting any spark. We need a full tune-up. Look at the corrosion on this fuel line right here. That's definitely causing the rough idle.
And the distributor cap. Should we replace that while we're at it?
Yeah, we might as well. Squeeze it tight right there.
Okay, going in.
Perfect alignment.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the fender.
I see it. Ropes are clear. Keep lifting.
Listen to that.
Sounds real good. We did it.